on Sci-Fi.
Fried. Grilled. Fried.
Grilled. Fried.
Grilled. Fried. Grilled. Grilled chicken.
Kentucky Grilled Chicken.
Kentucky Grilled Chicken. I like the sound of that. I may have spoken too soon.
If you think KFC is all about fried chicken, it's time to unthink.
The National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Columbia County in south central Wisconsin, northeastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, northwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:34 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Waterloo and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Quarter-sized hail may also accompany the storm. The tornado will be near Columbus around 5:40 p.m., Juneau around 6:00 p.m., Horicon around 6:05 p.m. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Deansville, East Bristol, Richwood, Burnett, Harbleton, Danville, South Beaver Dam, Minnesota Junction, Kleiman, and Lowell. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. Take cover now. If you wait to see or hear it coming, it may be too late to get to a safe place. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for portions of the warned area.